Hello dear, I'm Chidinma Favor and I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce myself to you as your biology, basic mathematics and English tutor here on Tuteria. Teaching isn't just what I do, it's truly my passion and I can't wait to share that passion with you. I hold an NCE in biology and basic science and a BSc in microbiology. This strong academic background has not only equipped me with just a deep knowledge about these subjects, but also it has instilled in me a love for learning and commitment to these subjects, and which, in other words, enhances me to be a proper tutor that enables any child to learn, because I see their needs, and knowing their needs, knowing the areas they need to concentrate on, the basics they need in knowing these subjects very well, I help them through these basics. I teach them properly. You might be wondering, how did I come about taking basic mathematics and English as a subject amongst other numerous subjects, and among even biology and basic science, which is my major field now? Because a lot of persons find it difficult to grasp mathematics, including myself. I took my time, I devoted my time, I made it a point of duty that I will have to learn these subjects properly for me to have a proper skill to teach or to train any younger child, anybody also having the same difficulty that I had. Okay, and so that led me to this level where I am right now, that I can boldly say that yes, I am the right tutor for your child when it comes to this subject area. Not just because of that, I will also help them because I know I can, I have the ability, so I can also help your child to be able to understand complex topics using clear explanations in order for them to understand properly and do well in this subject area. So, why should you choose me as the right tutor for your child? I know that learning can be a bit challenging. Many persons find it difficult to grasp or learn or understand some things. I know that fact very well. But I promise to make it a rewarding and engaging experience for your child. Now, here is why you should choose me. I believe every child have their different method of learning, and so I take my time to understand their individual learning method and as well adapt their method of learning in order to enhance their learning. For example, I once worked with a student who was truly intimidated by mathematics, but by breaking down concepts into digestible facts, using real world and real life examples, we were able to break this barrier. And not just that this child became very good in mathematics, but then it sparked an interest in this child's learning ability. And so today, this child happens to be one of the best students in mathematics. And not just in mathematics, it has also happened in biology. I've also worked with a student in a school, SS1 class, and I figured out that this child actually has zero understanding of what biology is. And I had to use some teaching methods and as well figure out what works best for this child. And by the time I put these two things or these various things into work, this child became very, very, very confident in himself that yes, he can actually stand alone and write a biology test, a biology exam, and come out successful. My goal isn't just to help your child understand facts or memorize facts or cram all these things. No, that's not my goal. But my goal is also to enable your child to understand these things properly, these materials, these subject areas properly, and then have abilities in themselves, have confidence in themselves. Because I have figured out that One of the reasons why students do not perform well in various subject areas is because they lack self-confidence. And so because they lack self-confidence, they do not have that ability to also trust themselves that they can do well even in a particular subject area. So when you choose me as your child's tutor, you are rest assured that you're not just choosing a tutor, a subject-based tutor, but you're choosing a dedicated partner that is committed to your child's growth, to your child's improvement. And this is why you should choose me today as your child's tutor for these subjects area. I'm genuinely excited with the opportunity to work with your child and help them achieve their academic goals. Thank you in advance for considering me as their tutor. I appreciate it, and I know that you will not regret it. Please do well to check my profile for further details that you would likely need to know.